I'm Ellie and welcome to my channel. Thinking about picking up a portable monitor for gaming on the go? I've been there, and not all of them live up to the hype. Today I'm reviewing the Arzopa portable monitor. I got it at 200 Australian dollars. Let's see if it's worth taking on your next trip. I'll start with the unboxing, and while I'm at it, I'll chat about a few things you might want to keep in mind before picking one up. If you've ever struggled picking a gadget like this, give the video a like, it means a lot. Most models range between 4 to 10 mm thick, and as you'd expect, the thinner ones usually come with a higher price tag. When it comes to build materials, you've got two main options: CNC machined metal or ABS plastic. Metal feels solid and offers better protection, but it costs more. Plastic is lighter on the wallet, but definitely feels cheaper. Once you open the box, you'll find the monitor neatly packed. It comes with 3 cables, a HDMI to mini HDMI cable, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and a USB-A to Type-C cable, so everything you need to get connected right out of the box. The stand-up is another thing people often overlook. Some come with those foldable folio-style covers, like the one I bought, but they're flimsy and not angle-friendly. L-shaped stands are much better. They're adjustable from 0 to 90 degrees and feel solid. As for screen size, 15.6 to 16 inches is the best, I think, because it is big enough to work on, but still easy to carry around. Make sure it hits at least 300 nits of brightness if you plan to use it outdoors. On the side of this portable screen, you'll find 3 buttons and 3 ports. Super straightforward. It has built-in speakers. One button lets you switch between input sources. The middle one controls brightness and volume, and the third one brings up the OSD menu. As for the ports, they're clearly labeled. For display types, Arzopa portable monitor has the IPS display. You'll see OLED, QLED, and standard IPS. In the market, OLED looks amazing with deep blacks and vibrant colors, but it'll cost you. QLED gives you great color for less. IPS is the most basic option, not super vibrant, but very affordable. So, how do you connect it? Let's start with the laptop, as I'll mostly be using this while traveling. My laptop has a Type-C port, so it's as simple as plugging in a Type-C to Type-C cable. Super easy, no setup needed, it just works. Right now, I'm playing the same video on both screens, and you can instantly see the color difference. This portable monitor looks amazing on a smaller display. This one I got doesn't have a touchscreen, but for what I need, working on the go, reviewing documents, or even watching content, I think it's okay. It will be a productivity booster when I'm on business trips. This monitor claims to be a gaming monitor, so of course I had to test it with the PS5 Pro. To set it up, you'll need to use the mini HDMI cable, plug the mini HDMI end into the monitor, and the regular HDMI end into the PS5 Pro. Then, connect the Type-C cable to the monitor and the USB-A end to the console for power. Once everything's plugged in, the monitor fires right up. No extra settings needed. The monitor works surprisingly well with the PS5. Gameplay feels smooth, and the colors really pop. Even though it's capped at a 60 Hz refresh rate, the visuals still look clean and fluid. The built-in speaker does a decent job. This particular model I picked maxes out at 60 Hz, but the brand also offers versions that go up to 144 Hz if you're after that ultra-smooth performance. When you want to get a portable screen, think about how you'll actually use it and don't fall for the specs alone. For me, I'm using it mostly while I'm traveling. Quick setup, lightweight, and reliable performance are what matter most. Speaking of portable gaming, let me show you how to hook this up to the Nintendo Switch. First, make sure your Switch is powered. Then, plug the USB end into the dock and the Type-C into the monitor. Next, connect the HDMI from the dock to the mini HDMI port on the monitor. And just like that, you're all set up. The difference is instant. The bigger screen, sharper visuals, and better color really take handheld gaming to the next level. But here's something worth noting, at least in my experience, the signal isn't always stable. While playing, I've had a few moments where the connection flickers, drops out, and then comes back. See the footage. As you can see, the signal actually drops twice during just 30 seconds of gameplay, which can get a bit annoying. I did some digging online and found that some people claim you can connect the Switch directly to the monitor using just a Type-C cable. But when I tried it, it didn't work. The monitor just kept flashing and couldn't pick up a stable signal. So yeah, for now, the dock setup is still the most reliable way, even if it's not perfect. If you've had a different experience or found a workaround, let me know in the comments. I'd love to try it out. Alright, that's it for today. Hope this video helped you out. I'm Ellie, and on this channel, I share honest reviews on games and gadgets to make your setup smoother and more fun. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you in the next one.